Laerdel Suction Unit, or LSU, is a portable electrically powered medical suction equipment intended for field and transport use. We have two different types of Laerdel suction in the unit, the LSU with disposable canister and the LSU with reusable canister. The different parts of the LSU with disposable canister are the following. Vacuum connector, vacuum inlet, user interface, release arm, canister holder, canister, Abbott liner with filter, patient inlet, patient suction tubing, and battery door. The user interface has the following parts: operating knob, power on indicator, external power indicator, failure mode indicator, vacuum indicator, battery status indicator, and test button. The device test is a user-initiated test program which can identify whether the LSU operates satisfactorily or if the LSU needs service. The program runs 4 different tests. Prior to checking, unplug the device. Press and hold the test button while setting the operating knob to 500 mm mercury. As soon as the LED 2 from the bottom of the battery status indicator comes on, fully block the patient's suction tubing. Keep the tubing blocked while LED 2, 3, and 4 lights up. Release the tubing when LED 1 comes on again. Turn on the operating knob to 0 and plug in the device. In test 1, LED number 1 should lit up. It is used to check for any blockage in the suction system. Pressure should reach equal or less than 100 mm mercury. If pressure falls above 100 mm mercury, check for any possible blockages like twisted tubing, blocked filter in the liner, and run the device test again. In test 2, LED number 2 should lit up. It measures the vacuum buildup efficacy of the pump system. Test passed if pressure reached equal or more than 300 mm mercury. If test failed, check connectors, tubes, and canister lid for leakage or damage. Check exhaust outlet for occlusion and run the device test again. In test 3, LED number 3 should lit up. It signifies the maximum achievable vacuum level of the LSU. Test passed if pressure reached equal or more than 500 mm mercury. If test failed, check connectors, tubes, and canister lid for leakage or damage. Check exhaust outlet for occlusion and run the device test again. In test 4, LED number 4 should lit up. It identifies if there is any air leakages in the pump system. Test passed if pressure reached equal or more than 450 mm mercury. If test failed, check connectors, tubes, and canister lid for leakage or damage, and run the device test again. If tests fail despite the troubleshooting measures, report the device to the biomed. Cleaning the LSU. If the suction contents reach 3/4 full, change the suction liner. In changing the suction liner, press the release arm, pull out the canister holder, and remove the used suction liner and suction tubing. Replaced with a new one. Attach a new suction tubing and label the suction tubing with a date of change. Replace back the canister to the canister holder and push back until you hear a clicking sound.